Let's learn Alimony. It's choreographed by Matt Lewis and Ray Jones. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 5 after 12 counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Alimony. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left shuffles forward. So we're going to start with our right shuffle, stepping our right foot forward, step your left next to your right, step your right foot forward. We're now going to do a shuffle with our left, stepping our left foot forward, step your right next to your left, step your left foot forward. We're now going to do a jazz box cross. We're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right, and you'll end facing 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your shuffles forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to shuffle to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're now going to rock your left foot back and recover onto your right foot. We're now going to do a grapevine to the left, stepping your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed over, ending our jazz box. We're going to shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do quick step back touches with claps. So we're going to quickly step our right foot back, touch your left next to your right, and clap your hands. We're now going to quickly step back with our left, touch our right next to our left, and clap our hands. Quickly step back with your right, touch your left next to your right, and clap your hands. Quickly step back with your left and touch your right next to your left, and clap your hands. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just touched our right, doing your quick steps back. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a figure 8 grapevine. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock. Cross your right behind your left, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance, and then you'll start with your right shuffle forward to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just stepped back with our left and touched our right. You're going to do your figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your shuffles forward. It's right shuffle forward, left shuffle forward, jazz box cross, shuffle to the right, rock back, recover, grapevine with a touch, step back and touch, clap back, touch, clap back, touch, clap back, touch, clap, side behind, quarter, step, half, quarter behind, quarter. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your shuffles. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to be after 12 counts, which would technically be our rock back recover. But since our dance starts with our right foot, instead of rocking back and recovering, you're going to step back with your left and touch your right next to your left, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's do it from the beginning. We're going to dance up to our shuffle to the right, and then we're going to do that step change back, touch, ready to start all over again. Weight is on your left, starting with your shuffles. It's shuffle forward, jazz box with a cross shuffle to the right now, back touch, start over right shuffle, left shuffle, jazz box with a cross. After that, you will dance till the end of the song, and it ends facing 12 o'clock on your grapevine to the left, so you don't have to worry about an ending. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot, starting with your shuffles forward. It's right shuffle, left shuffle. Jazz box with a cross shuffle to the right. Rock back, recover, grapevine with a touch. Back touch, clap back touch, clap back touch, clap back touch, clap figure eight, side behind, quarter step, half, quarter behind, quarter shuffle, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right shuffle forward, left shuffle forward, jazz box with a cross, shuffle to the right, rock back, recover, grapevine with a touch. Now your step back, back touch, clap back touch, clap back touch, clap back touch, clap figure eight, side behind, quarter, step, half, quarter behind, quarter shuffle forward, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 counts with your step change. Right shuffle, left shuffle, jazz box cross, shuffle to the right, back touch, restart, shuffle right, shuffle left, jazz box with a cross. Now you shuffle to the right, rock back, recover, grapevine with a touch. Now you're back in touch, back touch, clap back touch, clap back touch, clap back touch, figure eight, side behind, quarter step, half, quarter behind, quarter, and then you will dance through until the end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Alimony. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.